Ups, downs, I was rock bottom, but we up now. I was causing problems, house reverse. How could've ended tragic? This shit feel like magic. Yeah, I gotta hide that potion, that motion, her ocean, I let go. Eat that focus, hocus pocus, that spell to transform. Call me Bumblebee, I'm Muhammad Ali. This ain't a dream, bitch,
feel
I'm
like
a
I'm
stain.
living in a fairy tale. Need a fairy godmother to hit me with a spell. All this bad energy around to give me hell. Are you bad, are you good, shit is hard to tell.
Had to pay the fee, yeah, it cost to succeed. They didn't believe, now I'm the one they stream. Been on my own wave since space streams and laser beams. Somebody pinched me to make sure this ain't make-believe. Need those tokens, words spoken, cause I'm on a roll. This ain't dice, better think twice, yeah, we bout to take off. Call me Bumblebee, I'm Muhammad Ali. This ain't a dream, bitch,
feel
I'm
like
a
I'm
stain.
living in a fairy tale. Need a fairy godmother to hit me with a spell. All this bad energy around to give me hell. Are you bad, are you good, shit is hard to tell. Wish it come true every minute. Won't stop, we gon' get it. Make it to the top, still ain't finished.
Feel like I'm living in a fairy tale. Need a fairy godmother to hit me with a spell. All this bad energy around to give me hell. Are you bad, are you good, shit is hard to tell. Yeah, it's hard
feel
to
like
tell.
I'm living in a fairy tale. Need a fairy godmother to hit me with a spell. All this bad energy around to give me hell. Are you bad, are you good, shit is hard to tell.
Ellos no quieren que yo gane, pero ya gané. Una casa por la playa, ya la coticé. El precio de ayer no es el de hoy. No necesitas GPS pa' saber pa' dónde voy. Yo tengo lo mío, yeah. No estoy pendiente a lo que tú estás haciendo. Que yo no la estoy rompiendo, yeah. Tú mismo te estás mintiendo. Ahora gano como LeBron hacia Miami. Y yo mismo me llamo a los paparazzi. Las botellas, el humo me lo traen de gratis. Los haters tristes porque en la foto estoy happy. Ahora gano como LeBron hacia Miami. Y yo mismo me llamo a los paparazzi. Y las botellas, el humo me lo traen de gratis. Los haters tristes porque en la foto estoy happy. Como la gorra, tú sabes, la nueva era. Me compré mi primera casa sin disquera. Y más la mía, ya, si eso les molesta. Miguel Cotto en Las Vegas, ya, suban las apuestas. Todo lo que tiro es fuego, todo lo que fumo es fuego. Esto es un monopolio y yo le cambié el juego. Más la mía, no lo tomes personal. Todos los haters yo los pongo a mamar. Y que se joda si nunca voy a pegar. Son 10 millones o nunca voy a firmar. Los haters dicen que yo estoy crecido, pero no confundan, el juego es mío. Yo tengo lo mío, yeah. No estoy pendiente a lo que tú estás haciendo. Que yo no la estoy rompiendo, yeah. Tú mismo te estás mintiendo. Ahora gano como LeBron hacia Miami. Y yo mismo me llamo a los paparazzi. Las botellas, el humo me lo traen de gratis. Los haters tristes porque en la foto estoy happy. Ahora gano como LeBron hacia Miami. Y yo mismo me llamo a los paparazzi. Y las botellas, el humo me lo traen de gratis. Los haters tristes porque en la foto estoy happy. Yo tengo lo mío, yeah. No estoy pendiente a lo que tú estás haciendo. Que yo no la estoy rompiendo, yeah. Tú mismo te estás mintiendo. Hablando claro, hace falta que yo salga afuera. Estoy que voy mañana y me compro el Panamera. Sigo humilde y respetado con los pies en la tierra. Se durmieron con el nene y ahora quién lo viera. La X, la X, Shine. La X, Infinite. El precio de ayer no es el de hoy. No estoy pendiente a lo que tú estás haciendo.
Yeah, I like that song. Oh, they all like busy and I like them too. I like busy and I like them too. Walk into the room, I got all eyes on me. Bad belly people wanna spoil my steez. Shiny, now you ain't talking about my golden teeth. Golden grills, yes, I'm flexing, please. Walk into the room, I got them staring at me. Got my shades on so my ops can't see me. They only hate, but they really wanna be me. Shawty looking fancy, although when I put her in a timepiece, of course. But she's so feisty. I say, but she's so feisty. It looks good, girl, I really wanna taste it. Did you make it, or did you purchase it? Either way, girl, I really wanna take it from you. Oh, I'm saying ride, girl, you know I'm like that.
Girls love busy and it's like that.
I said ride, girl, you know I'm like that.
Girls love busy and it's like that.
I'm saying ride, girl, you know I'm like that.
Girls love busy and it's like that.
I said ride, girl, you know I'm like that.
Girls love busy and it's like that.
Shawty got a long wine tolerance, she don't mind coming over, big back rolling over me. I met that girl on a Wednesday, in my crib on a Friday, it's easy. I ain't even busy on the weekdays, chillin' on the weekdays. Now she wanna come and chill with me. Shawty got a taste, now she falling over me. Shawty got a taste, now she rolling over me. Baby girl, just take a seat. And I'm that boy, girl, like, could you not like me? But I get you up, and I be like Mike Tyson. I took this girl, nigga, really wanna fight me. Ordering this bottles, now you started getting pricey. No be my fault, or this killer just did like me. White me, rumor has it, cause I leave that pipe in lighting. She like it more in the darkness, busy cause I'm madness. She calling me, oh, I'm saying ride, girl, you know I'm like that.
Girls love busy and it's like that.
I said ride, girl, you know I'm like that.
Girls love busy and it's like that.
I'm saying ride, girl, you know I'm like that.
Girls love busy and it's like that.
I said ride, girl, you know I'm like that.
Girls love busy and it's like that.
I wanted to let you know that I'm super excited about this week. I can't stop thinking about you. I'll be back when you get this, okay? I love you. Bye.
And I like them too. I like busy and I like them too.
Maybe we're just intoxicated. If that wasn't the case, would you still feel it in your nature? Cause I've been running long nights for a while. So tell me, girl, just hear me out. Cause I've been really hoping that you make some time for me today. Yeah, you've been on my mind. Yeah, I won't lie, you made me feel alive for the first time in a while. And I could get used to it. No need to feel the pressure at all. Time is nothing from now on. It's whatever you want it to be. love you for a while now. I could love you for a while now.